Well, howdy there, pluckers. Simon Four Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. This is part 2 of my lessons on Sutter's Mill from Dan Fogelberg. Okay, hopefully you will have learnt the intro that was in part 1 and listen to my playthrough. So this is taking showing you how to play the verses and the chorus. Okay, and then basically you've got everything you need to play the song. So the introduction comes out of the G chord at the final bit of the chorus there. In the spring of 47, so the story it is told. Old John Sutter went to the millside, a piece of shiny gold. So that's a typical verse, and there's about 4 of them in the song. Okay, so it's basically all the way through. It's the C lead down to A minor, which sort of follows the words like in the spring. So all I'm doing there is I'm just playing the C chord, then I'm lowering the 5th string down to the 2nd fret on the 5th string, just that, to an A minor. Okay, so in the spring, F. Again, you can play a simple F, or what I do, like I showed you in the intro, a 4-fingered F, or F with C in the bass. Okay, so it's in the spring of 40, C chord, 7, again. In the story, see, because that does that all the time. That bit all on practically every start of every line. Okay, so coming out of the intro. In the spring of 47, so the story it is told. Old John Sutter went to the hillside. Now, after the 3rd time round, on the 3rd line where it goes, Old John Sutter went to the hillside, bum bum bum. There's another one of those. Okay, lead down from the A, C to the A minor again. Found a D minor 7th. Which we played in the intro. That's like an F chord without the 3rd finger, open 4th string. You can do 4 down or 5 down, 5 down or 4 down, whichever you like to sound or best, and then to a G, and then back to the C. So that's 4/3 line. It starts like a Old John Sutter went to the millside, blew down, found a D minor 7th piece, G, oh, shiny C gold. And then it repeats the same sequence again for the 2nd verse. The only thing that's different is at the very end of the song, when it comes out of the last line, D minor 7th to G, it doesn't go to the C, it goes to the A minor. So the 2nd verse, well, he took it to the city where the word like wildfire spread. Old John Sutter soon came to wishing he left that stone in the riverbed. Exactly the same as the 1st verse with different words, apart from the fact that the very last chord is an A minor, not a C. Okay, and then we go into what I would call the pre-chorus, and they came like birds of locusts, every woman, child and man. And those 2 lines, okay? So starts off with an F. Oh, they F came blackbirds, C locusts. Now every woman, it's an F to C there, goes to F, every woman, C woman, child, and A minor man. Okay, so beginning of the pre-chorus. Oh, they came like hers, locusts, every woman, child, and man. In the F, lumbering, cornies, C2 run down to A minor, stokers. There's the left there, it's D minor 7 track, G on the A minor land. That's what I call the pre-chorus. This pre-chorus only happens once in the song. Okay, as far as I can see, that's played only once, the pre-chorus in the song. The rest of the time it's just verses and choruses. Okay, so once again we'll do the second verse and then we'll do this pre-chorus. Well, they took it to the city where the word like fire spread. Old John Sutters soon to the shame. He left that stone in the river bed. Oh, they came like hers and locusts, every woman, child, and man. In their lumbering, cold stokers left their track upon the land. Okay, so that's that pre-chorus. Now the chorus proper. Some would F fail, and some would C prosper. Some would F to C again, die. Some would A minor kill. Some would F thank the Lord for their deliverance. Run down again, D minor 7th. John Sutters C. So that's the same as the pre-chorus, but the last chord is a C chord, not an A minor. Okay, so it's a case of keeping your eye on where you're playing. Okay, after that we do another couple of verses as standard, same as the chords for verse 1 and verse 2. Verse 2, obviously verse 4 also finishes up on an A minor chord. Okay, then we go into another chorus, and then there's an instrumental interlude where I played the intro again. Then it's another verse, exactly the same as verse 1 and verse 3, chord wise, different words, and then another verse, and that one finishes on A minor, like verse 2 and verse 4. Okay, then it goes into the standard chorus, and it just, and the end of it is the final part of the song. When you come out of the some would fail and some would prosper, F to C, some F to C, and some would A minor kill. Some F beg the Lord for their seed, deliverance run down. Some would D minor 7th, G, John Sutters C. And then we just repeat that last line again. Some would D minor 7th, goes G7 or G, some Sutters mill run down again. Some men's D minor 7th, thirds G, never C filled. And then I played the intro as the outro again, and that's it, finished on the end of the outro. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls, all the parts you need to play the rest of the song. So it's basically follow my hopefully tuition there and you'll be good to go. Thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson.